Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn LangChain setup and plus your first LLM app Python API keys with Hello World. Okay, so what exactly the LangChain we have already discussed in the last video. So just overview, LangChain is an open source framework for building applications powered by large language models. It provides tools for chaining prompts, managing memory, connecting to the external data, and building agents. Okay, so in this, what we are trying to learn, that is environment setup, installing the LangChain, configuring the API keys, writing your first LLM app, Hello World, a slightly more advanced example with the prompt templates. Okay, why we are learning this? So AI landscape is shifting fast. LLM no longer just a chatbot; they are becoming the core logic layer for the real applications like customer support tools, coding assistant, document analyzer, research agent, and more. Why LangChain plus Python is the right place to start. LLM alone are not enough. Python is the language of AI, practical, job relevant skill. Companies across every industry are hiring developers who can build LLM powered features, understanding how to write, wire up the prompts, managing context, and connecting models to the real data is now core engineering skill. It teaches you how LLM actually work in production. Fast feedback loop foundation for advanced topics. Once you are understand the basic here, you are ready to build RAG pipelines, autonomous agents, fine-tuned model integrations, and production grade AI systems. Okay, so let's take a look what we are trying to do over here. So first of all, in the requirements, we have Python 3.9 or higher you have to install. Pip package manager, you have to install API key, whether it's to be OpenAI, Anthropic, or the Google. Okay, and terminal and the command prompt should be there. Okay, so first of all, check the Python version. So currently, this is the command. So I'm gonna hit over here Python version. So it will not found because I have installed the Python 3. Okay, so just copy. So 3.10, which is higher than the 3.9. Okay, if it is not installed, just do let me know how to install. I'll share the steps. Okay, next, set up the virtual environment. So first of all, we are going to do this one. Okay, so let me go from here, LangChain, right? And here I'm going to opening the prompt, paste here Python LangChain environment. Sorry, Python 3, we need to add Python 3. So here you can see I have in add the LangChain environment. Okay, after this, activate it with the help of this. Okay, this is done. After this, moving to the next step, this is for the Windows. Okay, your terminal should now showing the LangChain environment, right? So here you can see that LangChain environment. Okay, this is not showing. Okay, now install the LangChain. So this is the command for installing the LangChain for the OpenAI, but I'm going to go with the Anthropic, that is Claude. Okay, so copy this one and add this one. Okay, so this will install the Anthropic part. So everything is okay. Okay, now I'm going to install the .env environment. Okay, so install this package also. Okay, now verify the installation with the help of this command. So Python, so here you can see that 1.3.2. Okay, now get your API key. So basically I'm working on the Claude part, so I'm going to get the API key with the help of this, right? So open this one. Okay, console Anthropic. Let's continue. I hope so I have the keys. Okay, now I'm going to create a key right now. Create API key. So this is the API key that I'm gonna use it. Okay, and I'm going to just paste it over there. Okay, later I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so here we have the environment variable. So here I'm going to add my OpenAI key there. Okay, so here I'm going to paste this that one. Okay, this is done from my side. Okay, now go to this one, create a new secret key and copy and start with SK. Okay, this is done for my part. Now store the API key safely. Now create a .env file in your project and add it over here, which I've already done this one. Okay, now add .env to the git ignore file, which never that's up to you whenever you because you know that the anywhere you don't have to push the .env file to the production server, sorry, the github or a bitbucket or anywhere. So this is the environment variable file, so don't push it. So make it in a git ignore file. Okay, this is done. Now first LLM with the hello world OpenAI, so hello world.py. So I have already written down the code. So hello world.py. So this is LangChain. I think this is quick fix. So here the model is chat OpenAI. So basically we are using the Claude, not this one model. So give me one, but let me check this one. Give me 1 minute. What I can check over here. So basically, I have changed the code for the Claude Sonnet 4.6. That is the Anthropic. Okay, the previous one is basically for the OpenAI, which we are not using it. Okay, now I'm going to run the commands, install the Anthropic. Okay, so this command I have run for the Anthropic section, that is LangChain Anthropic, and then I'm going to run this command Python 3 hello world. Okay, to run this file. Okay, so paste this one Python 3. It says that the hello world.py, no such file directory. Um, so my LangChain project, I think we should go with this one. And now I think we need to run the environment files here. Okay, let's go and just run it over here. So where are the environment files? So let's read this. So it's Python 3. So make sure you have to add this. Okay, moving to the next step, that is activate. Okay, now we have to run the command for the Python 3 hello world.py. So just add it. So there is error that the .env we are non no module. So let me install the .env module also. So I have already add this .env. So pip install .env module. Okay, so let's install this. So this is done. Let's run the Python 3 LangChain or LangChain Anthropic. It is not installed. Okay, so because we are on the wrong folder, then so install this LangChain Anthropic. So this is done. Hope so. This now work. So this is the prompt that it will come from there. So hey, I am Claude, an AI assistant made by Anthropic. Here I'll provide a range of things, answering questions. This is this. I'm aimed to helpful, honest, and this one. What can I help you with it today? So here you can see that the LangChain prompt will come over here. So here you can see the response, the human content, say hello and introduce yourself. So basically Claude introduce yourself with this Anthropic key and the LLM part. And here we are just printing the response.content. So this is the basic prompt from the Claude that it gives the introduction, right? So here you can now ask any questions with him, right? So here you can see it gives the introduction hello, and this is the part that the Claude given us. Okay, so that means Anthropic setup is done. Okay, And what next? We install the LangChain. That part is completely API key is done. This is done. Your first LLM hello world part. Okay, say hello, introduce yourself, which is done, right? So expected output should be like this one. So and in the case of the cloud version, so it will give the accordingly. Okay, now I have done the using the prompt template also. Okay, so in simple prompt templates, let's create the reusable and the parameterized prompts. In simple words, think of a prompt template like a fill in the blank form. Imagine you work at a coffee shop and every order follows the same format, like I want a size drink with extras. Okay, so these are the variables. Instead of writing a brand new sentence for every customer, you just fill in the blanks. I want a large latte with oat milk. Okay, this is exactly what the prompt template does. It keeps the structure same, only change the parts of you care about. So instead of typing a new question to the AI every single time, you write the template once and just swap out the topic name or whatever word you need to change. Less work, same result. Okay, so basically this is prompt template example we have already done. Okay, so after this we have to write the Python prompt template.py. Just run it. Okay, Python 3 Python. So this is our prompt template example.py. So what it explain machine learning, simply explain machine learning is the way. So basically they're asking the questions. Okay, so if I go with the prompt, so here system, you are helpful assistant that explains the topic, simplify, and human explain the topic in one paragraph. So topic, we have to pass topic, that is machine learning. By default we have passed. Okay, and that prompt give me the answers like this one. Okay, so yeah, this is from the basic setup of the LLM which we have done. Later on the series, we are going to learn about the, here we have the new, that is the, once the hello world is working, explore the following, that is RAG, retrieval augmented generation, answer question using your own docs, agents, let the LLM decide which tools to call, memory, persist conversation context across the sessions, output parsers, and the Langsmith, trace and debug your LangChain apps. So we are going to learn in the coming sections. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.